my channel, Southern Yankee. My name is Terry. Thanks for joining me today and clicking on my video. So today I'm really excited to do another wonderful collab with the ladies that you saw last week. We have Kristy from Georgia Sunshine, Laura from Little Box of Happy, and Kayla from Kayla's Closet. And we are back with another video for Natalie Attired for their classic collection. Here's a little sneak peek. Look at all those stunning colors. I'm really excited. I received some of the new summer collection pieces that you guys can also request. So currently this is now going to be called the Classic Collection. You get 5 items and I think Renee styled me. Yeah. And if you keep 3 to 4 items, you get 20% off of those items. If you keep all of your items, you get 30% off, and the styling fee is $20. It is deducted from your total, so it's credited to anything that you keep. And what else do we have? You get a prepaid, I don't know if I brought it out here. Yeah, a prepaid mailer to mail anything back. I think it's priority, I don't know. I don't remember what they use. Yeah, it's a priority mailer. And so you can drop it in any US mailbox. And I believe if you guys use my link, you also get credit, but I'm not sure. I need to double check that. If you do use my link, I know that I get $25 credit. That's the same thing for you. So when you order your box, share your link with your friends and family, have your friends use that link, and you will also get a $25 credit when they make their first order, which is really, really cool. That's helped me out a lot in the past with being able to get items that maybe I couldn't afford or that were a little bit more expensive. So I'm excited to dive in today and see what we have and try everything on with you. And look, it's so cute. It's always wrapped so cute. So look, okay. So let's get in and see what we have. All right, and let me get my price sheet here so I can tell you what everything costs. All right, so the first top is, looks like maybe a new brand that Natalie Attired's carrying. I haven't received anything from it. You guys know I like this color. This is by Kayla's Armoire. I wonder if Kayla from Kayla's Closet got any of these pieces. I don't know what the other girls got either, so I'm going to be just as excited as you guys to visit their channels. I will have them all linked below, as well as a pinned comment with their channels. So here we go. This is a beautiful little flutter sleeve top, and then it comes in like it nips at the waist. It's a nice like cotton or knit. And let's see, I think it's just cotton. Let me see. All right, mine's a size medium. It's rayon and spandex, so it feels just like cotton though. So it's really cute though. I like this piece. All right, so this is $42 for this item, and it's kind of heavy. I mean, it's got some weight to it. It's not like a super thin material, so that's probably why the price is 42 bucks. All right, so the next item I have is this is a striped piece, another top. This is also by Kayla's Armoire. This is drop sleeve v-neck top, top white, medium. This is also $42. I like this. So this is navy and black and white. It's got a really nice little interesting neckline, little cap sleeves on it, a nice floral print, and a wrap in the middle. That's really cute. Really cute and so nice and cheery for the summer months. Ooh, I like this one. I like this one a lot. All right, so that's 42. The next one I got is a pair of jeans. These are by Just Black. Sorry, motorcycle. All right, so hopefully these ones fit me. I think they will. They're stretchy, size 29, Just Black. Sometimes Just Black is too small on me, so we'll see how these do. These are just a pair of white denim jeans, but at the bottom, they have so much fun. Look at this fringe. They look like, this reminds me of the Scarecrow, like how the Scarecrow pants are. I'm excited to try that. I think that's a fun little detail. How much are these guys? 79 bucks. So that's pretty standard for when you're getting a nice pair of jeans. They feel fabulous. I'm trying to make sure there's nothing on my fingers because they're so white and so pretty. And I think both of those tops will look really nice with these pants, so I'm excited to try those on together. I do have white jeans. I don't have white jeans like this with the frayed hem on the bottom. I just have like skinny whites, but I wear those mostly if I'm wearing jeans in the summer. I do wear white mostly. So, all right, next item I got. This is pretty. This is the piece I saw in the peek through. and I'm excited about this. This is by Gilli. I love Gilli dresses. I have most of Gilli dresses. So this, look at this number. This is sexy. It does have a little pin here, like a little snap here for modesty. Look, I'm gonna stand up so you can see better. And then it comes down. I really, really like this. To me, this is summer date night right here. This, I hope this fits. I hope this fits. How much is this? This one, $62. Not bad for, honestly, not bad for a sexy little number like this, a nice little dress. And I know Gilli has good dresses because I own several from my previous boxes. This is a good brand. I hope that fits. Please cross your finger. By the way, guys, I'm wearing the top I got in my limited collection that I did last week. I'll try to link that for you if you haven't seen it. I did go ahead and tie it up and unbutton. Some of you recommended maybe I could unbutton one so that it would work better. Let's see if I can show you. And that's exactly what I did, and it fits so much better. So thank you all for that suggestion. All right, the last top is a rose straight top with a ruffle sleeve. This is by Cotton Blue. That's this brand here. This is also a new brand to Natalie Attired. And this is $38. So it's a cute little top. Look at these cute little details on the side of the sleeves. And it comes down, and this is another one that is going to tie up at the waist, and it's got these like little buttons going down the front. So I love the color of this. Really love this pretty mauve. I don't know how pretty or how good you guys can see that. Isn't that nice? So I'm excited to try this one on too. This just looks like a nice daily basic. I'll have to try it on with those white pants, and I would wear these with blue jeans. Maybe I can grab the blue jeans that I had in the last collection, the limited collection, to try on with this. This will look better with blue because it's kind of cream. I'll see if we can. I wore them the other day. Let me see if I can find them and throw them on. All right, guys, so my total before discounts is $263. So a little bit more pricey, but I do have a $62 dress in here and a $79 pair of jeans. And then if I keep it all, I get 30% off. That takes $78.90 off. That brings my total down to $157.80. I don't think that's bad. That's about where I like to be on my pay scale when I'm getting these boxes. Cheaper the better, but that's not too bad. Their discounts are very, very generous, so I'm excited about that. So let's try everything on, and I'll see you right back here in a second with each outfit, and we'll see what they look like, and hopefully they all fit. All right, guys, so I have this cute little top on with the wrap. Excuse the vehicle. I was gonna do this in the backyard, but it's so much prettier out here. So I really like this top, but as you can see, it is quite deep. I'm wondering if maybe I need a size smaller, if it would hold this together. It doesn't have a snap here, and I feel like if I wore a little cami or something under it, it takes away from how beautiful it is. So, well, let me back up. Here it is. And I've got the pants on with the little fun kick stuff here. These pants are a little tight. I knew Just Black ran a little bit small on me. I probably should go up a size in these if I'm gonna keep them, so we'll see, but they fit, they just barely fit. I mean, I'm squeezing into these babies, so they're kind of skin tight on me, and I'd be more comfortable a size up. But here is the entire outfit. Oh, I really like this top. I don't know what to do. I mean, I know some people would be fine wearing it like this. I don't know if I will. It's not too much, it's just more than I normally do. You guys need to let me know what you think about this top. I mean, then maybe I could just tack it or like sew it over a little bit, because I'm afraid if it moves, the wind blows, you know, I'm afraid the girls will be on display. So, but this is so cute. I really like this outfit. I really like the whole thing, actually. I feel like this top is slimming on the side. It's really beautiful. I feel good in this. I think this looks nice. Okay, so I'm gonna try the pink top on and keep these jeans on next and see how that pink top looks. Okay, here is the little pink top. This is cute. This is another one where it's figure flattering, and it's got ruching in the right spot, so if you have a little bit of a belly, I think you'll like this top. You guys can request any of these pieces I got too. I don't know if I mentioned that, but this is a very flattering top. I feel like it hides what you want it to hide, you know? So let me come in a little bit. And I like it with the white. It kind of just looks like, it's just sort of, it's like a knot, it's like twisted here. And it just sort of hangs really, really nice. Yeah, that's cute. I like this one too. Okay, so we're not doing too bad. I just think I might need these pants a size. They're not uncomfortable. I could zip them, I could button them. They're just a little too tight. I think I'd feel better a size up in these. I think they look good though. So, okay, so I couldn't find the shorts. I think they're in the wash, so I'm going to try the other top on, the striped top, just with these pants, and you guys can imagine that they're blue. Hold on. Okay guys, here is the last top that I have, and it's got the little tie waist. This is also that cotton blue brand. This brand does seem to run a little bit big on me, so if you like, you know, a little bit of room in it, order your regular size. And if you want it a little bit more fitted, I would order a size down. The Just Black, I knew, runs small. So if you request Just Black, you might want to request a size up or a half size up. I think just a half size up would be great, but I don't think there is a half size. I think I gotta go a whole size. So this is cute too. It's got the cute little, oops, flipped. It's got the cute little ruffle sleeve, which I always like. I think those are like really flirty and cute, and this is a longer sleeve, so if it's really hot you're not going to burn your shoulders, so it'd be a nice little cover up top. It's got the buttons. I don't know if they're working buttons. No, they're just decorative buttons on it. Yeah, so this is cute. I think I might keep this. Is super comfortable, like super comfortable, and it's lightweight. It doesn't feel sticky or hot, and trust me, right now outside here it's like 90 some degrees. It's sticky and hot. I'm sweating just being out here, but this isn't sticking to me. This feels really good. All right, so this is so fabulous. I'm really enjoying these new pieces that they got in for their spring and summer. I'm gonna try that dress on. That's probably my favorite piece in the entire lot. Let me try that on next and pray it. Okay guys, so this dress I can't zip from here to here. I could, but the zipper is not working great on this. Even off the dress, it didn't want to go past a certain point, so I don't know if this one's just defective, but you can still see how beautiful this dress is. I think I'm going to request this. I'm holding it shut. I think I'm going to request this in a size up. I think it needs more space on the side for that zipper. You know when zippers hit, like there's a seam, and when it hits the seam, it doesn't want to go back up past the seam. So, but I know this looks weird me holding it, but it's either that or you see the whole side of my boob. So anyway, I like this dress so much. I think it's beautiful. I feel pretty in it. I definitely want this dress, but I do need a size up. So let me know what you guys think of this. And that is the end, my friends, of my Natalie attired for the month of June. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll have my link below if you want to get your own, and I'll list the pieces out for you and like the makers of them and stuff. So if you want to request any for your own, you can, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Oh, and go check out my friends. Their links will be below for you.